Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is a follow-up to a video I posted explaining to folks why the Vimmern faucet from Ikea is incompatible with the farm sink that it is designed to go with. The main reason being that the hole is so far back that half of the spout reach is taken up just getting to the edge, and it doesn't go beyond this point. So one of my YouTube subscribers sent me a link and I ended up getting this. Okay, this is called a pot filler. I got it from Ultimate Kitchen on Amazon. It was about 95 bucks. Ultimate-kitchen.com. The instructions are clearly written by a native speaker of English, which threw me for a loop. The only thing that made me mad was the hot and cold were not already screwed into the fixture. And how am I going to get up underneath it to tighten it? So I hand tightened it, and then I put a channel locks on it. I hope I didn't booger it up. So far it isn't leaking. Mama loves it because we can reach all the way out into the middle and even past the center of the sink, which is what we want to be able to do, right? We want to be able to reach in here and actually work. I worry, that moving parts could in the future leak here and here, right? And I also worry that I have kids that don't pay attention, knucklehead kids. They could get water everywhere, you see. That's one drawback. Water could go all over the place, you see. One potential drawback. But if we're careful, I think we're going to be happy with it. We've been happy with it so far. So this is what you get if you want the double farm sink from Ikea, or any place else. Ikea doesn't make the only farm sink. Thank you.